In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix domain to Hostinger. This process will help you seamlessly link your domain and hosting platform, ensuring your website runs smoothly. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll see how straightforward this process can be. First things first, you need to log into your Wix account. Navigating to your account is simple. Just head over to the Wix website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your account dashboard. From there, you want to focus on the left-hand side menu and locate the section labeled Domains. Clicking on Domains will direct you to a page where you can view and manage all the domains associated with your Wix account. Select the domain you'd like to connect to Hostinger. This is an important choice as the domain you choose is the one users will visit when they type in your website URL, so double check to make sure you have the correct one. After selecting your domain, the next step is to find and access the DNS settings. DNS, or Domain Name System, is essentially the internet's way of keeping track of domain names and translating them into IP addresses. This might sound technical, but in the context of Wix, you're essentially just updating a few key settings. Look for a button or tab that says DNS Settings. Click on it, and you should see various options and fields related to your domain's DNS configuration. Now comes the crucial part. Changing the name servers. Name servers are part of the DNS system that help direct traffic from your domain to your website. For this, you're going to use Hostinger's name servers. You will need to enter two specific name server addresses provided by Hostinger. The first one is ns1.dnsparking.com and the second is ns2.dnsparking.com. Make sure to type these in carefully and confirm that there are no typos. Once you've entered these new values, it's time to save your changes. Keep in mind, changes to DNS settings can take some time to propagate across the internet, often anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. During this period, there might be some interruptions or delays in accessing your website, but this is completely normal. In the meantime, shift your attention to your Hostinger account. Log in, and once inside, navigate to the Domains section. Here, you'll find an option to Add Domain. This allows you to formally associate your domain with your Hostinger hosting account. By adding your domain, you're effectively telling Hostinger, hey, I want this domain to point to my Hostinger hosted website. Enter the necessary domain details and confirm the addition. And there you have it. You've now connected your Wix domain to Hostinger. Remember, the changes you've made might take a little time to fully take effect. Check back periodically over the next day or two to ensure everything is working perfectly. If all goes as planned, your visitors will soon be able to find your site through the domain you've selected. Thanks for watching and following along with this tutorial.